Does it bother you when your TV volume is set to an uneven number like 9 or 11, but 8 or 10 somehow just feel better? Or do you instinctively round your alarm from 6:03 to 6:00 or maybe 6:05? If so, you're not crazy. Your brain is wired that way. And in today's episode, we're diving into the fascinating psychology behind it. Welcome to Fooled, the channel that decodes the hidden psychology of everyday life, powered by science. First off, your brain loves order and balance. According to Gestalt psychology, we naturally prefer things that feel complete and symmetrical. We seek order and simplicity in everything, including numbers. One of the first ways we categorize numbers is by whether they're odd or even, a concept ingrained in us by the time we hit 4th grade. As a result, even numbers, like 10, 14, or 20, just seem more stable and balanced than, say, an odd 9 or 17. But here's where it gets weird. Studies show that some odd numbers don't feel as odd as others. Take 15, for example. Even though it's an odd number, it feels less odd than 17, right? Okay, but why? Research suggests that people prefer numbers they find easier to work with mathematically. Because 15 is divisible by 3 and 5, it's easier to process and fits into familiar patterns. Meanwhile, 17 is a prime number. It stands alone without easy division. Our brains naturally like to process numbers in chunks and favor grouping in sets of 5, as we know from counting on our fingers. That's why numbers like 15 or 25 feel more familiar and less odd than numbers like 17 or 23. So, what does this all mean? Well, your weird number habits aren't so weird after all. They're just a result of deep-rooted psychological patterns. Next time you avoid an uneven digit or set your alarm to a cleaner number, just remember, you're not crazy. It's just your brain doing its thing. And hey, now you've got a fun fact to share. Try this. Set the TV volume to 9 at your next movie night and see who freaks out first. Or run a little experiment by changing someone's thermostat or alarm to an odd number and see how long it takes them to fix it. You might be surprised at how many people around you are also victims of this quirky psychological phenomenon. Want to dive deeper into the hidden psychology of everyday life? Check out our other videos and subscribe for more fascinating insights. See you next time, as we uncover yet another way our brains fool us.